All right, guys, you wouldn't believe what came today. Oh my God, this package. I'm so excited, right? I bet you don't know what's in this package, but we're gonna find out what's in this package. Open this thing up, and man, yes, that's right. Yes, it is the Mac Studio. Woo-wee. Oh boy, looking forward to this puppy, man. Oh my goodness, it's going to help me do recordings a lot faster. Right, I've got a lot of problems, right, with just my Mac Pro. So there's not enough peripherals and stuff like that on my Mac Pro. So with this, I can definitely pull off good videos because I want to do multiple camera angles. So yeah, looking forward to this. Here, let's open it up out of here. Let's take this off. There we go. Okay. No, it's like this. There we go. There we go. So there it is. There it is. Yes, I like this. This is a monster. It's pretty heavy, beefy. Oh man. Okay, let's see. Let's open up the package here. Let's see here if this thing falls apart. Yes, look at that. Nice. And then, oof. So this thing's gonna have some serious power. This is like maxed out, of course. Thanks for watching.